Hi guys, welcome to another one of these episodes on cameras I'm making. This one is for the Canon 600D. There are sort of latest versions of these cameras around the 700 750, but I bought this one for a couple £100 online with a 55mm lens, a 50mm lens and a 300mm lens, standard lenses really, for about £200, which wasn't really bad. So if you're looking for a camera for school or college or university, this might be a pretty decent buy. It's got a 3-inch LCD display screen. It's got 18 megapixels, lithium battery, full HD. It's got a HD CMOS sensor, and it's got intelligent autos, and obviously your aperture, your shutter priority, and all the various features within a sort of entry level towards the sort of professional DSLR. I think this is a pretty decent camera if you are a college or maybe a university user, don't want to spend a lot of money, maybe you don't want to get a high-end sort of camera and you've got a budget about maybe £200 to £300. This might be a pretty decent buy. It's got you know, your SD card slot, so you can put your SD card in there. Your battery goes in here. These batteries are not incidentally very expensive as well. You get these online for about £10–20, maybe about $30. So they're not that expensive really. You've got all your connections for your AVI and HDMI outputs over here, and all your audio connectivity here as well. So yeah, not a bad camera. It's got this LCD screen, 3-inch screen, which I quite like as well. So if you like doing selfies or self-filming or low-angle shots, this is pretty decent as well. You know, if I switch it on, it's not touchscreen. The newer versions of this model are touchscreen, but to tell you the truth, I've not had any problems with it. So in terms of like, if I put it into filming mode, and I sort of kind of like open up my lens cap, you know, you can see that it's not bad. You know, it's got your filming mode. So if you want to film, just click on that and just film. And if you want to sort of take pictures, you can put it into your auto mode. You can put it into your flash off auto mode, creative auto, portrait, landscape, macro, sports, low light, filming. And also your program, your aperture, your shutter, your manual mode. So all your professional modes are on this camera here. My only sort of niggly thing about this particular camera is if you're filming, you have to kind of put it on that. If you're taking photos, you have to put it on that. But then, you know, like sort of better models, you can sort of flick between filming and camera mode via here or maybe here. This one you have to go all the way back there, start filming, all the way back up here and start taking pictures again. So that's one little slight criticism I have of this camera. But yeah, overall I think it's not a bad camera, to be honest. I think so if you're a if you are getting into photography or filming and you don't want to spend a lot of money and you've got a budget of maybe £200–300, go online, have a look at one of these. You know, I bought this, to tell you, second hand, and I got like 3 lenses with it, and I was quite happy with it. So they are, you know, if you look on various websites, you probably could find one of these. So yeah, thanks for watching. Any questions, please do post, and I'll try to respond to any of the questions you may have about any cameras, and maybe make some more videos regarding your concerns. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys.